Hello and welcome to Codition. Today we are going to talk about Excel randomizer. This particular randomizer has a more control over your data because it has different filters. So we will go through those options in a while. This particular automation is free to use. There are no limitations. You can put your data uh, the way I have shown you, similar way you can put your data. So one thing we have to note that column A and B is very important. So let us remove all the filters here and click on start. So let us put number of cases as 30 and click on start. Now it is going to pull a number of cases as 30 and yeah, these are random cases, but it has not filtered on name, so it is just randomly pulling the cases. You don't know whose case is that or blah blah. So let us put a filter on employee here, employee filter, EMP filter, which refers to column A, and let us pull two cases. So now it is going to pull two cases for each associate. Now you see over here, there are two cases for each associate. Now let us refine the filter and put a region filter as well. So this second one is actually a group filter, which could be region or anything. Here you can put a secondary filter, so anything like a group or a country or particular queue that you can put over here. So let me just click on start now. Now it has pulled data based on the name and the region. So two cases from each region for Deepak, similarly for Arun. So in case the data is too long, so this automation will take little more time, so you have to wait till this status turns to ready. Now this export to Excel, as you can see, it is to export the data to Excel. Now the data has been exported to Excel. Great. So I have a very less data over here, but in your case you can put a lot of more data and see how this tool works. So you are free to download this automation. For similar kind of videos, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.